Smoothies are a great way to get an extra piece of fruit into your day. I've got James here and he's going to help me make a smoothie. James, have you ever had a kiwi fruit smoothie?
Never in my life.
Never in your life? So new experience for you today?
Yeah.
Excellent. So the main ingredient of our smoothie is a kiwi fruit. It's brown and furry on the outside. Have a feel.
Oh yeah, he's very furry.
It is very furry, isn't it? But when you cut it open, it shows you this beautiful, pretty green centre. Look at that.
Wow.
And that's going to be the green colour of our smoothie. Okay, James, let's get started with some kiwi fruit. Can you put them in the blender?
Sure. Oopsies.
That's all right. And then we've got some Greek yogurt. You spoon that in. And then we've got some coconut milk. Okay, pop the lid on. Do you know why we put the lid on?
So stuff doesn't go flying everywhere.
Yeah, because we don't want smoothie all over the roof, do we?
Mm-mm.
It's not very green, is it? What should we do?
Add some food colouring, I reckon.
Okay, I'll add the food colouring because we only want to add a tiny amount, otherwise it might look a bit radioactive.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Can I get just the tiniest drop? Oh no, it's going to be too much. Do you know what? Just going to get a spoon, take a bit of that colouring out, because you can always add more colouring if it's not bright enough.
Yeah.
But we can't take it off. Fingers crossed. Awesome, it's a nice mint green colour. Now we're going to take the smoothie up a notch and make it really pop. We're going to take some kiwi slices and cut some stars out of them.
So how do I cut the stars out?
Okay, so what you're going to do, I'll give you some slices and you take the star cutter and centre it and press down and you should get a star. If you don't have a cookie cutter at all, you can just cut some shapes with a small knife. Do you know what we're going to do with these kiwi fruit stars?
No.
We're going to decorate the glass with them.
Oh wow.
Yeah, pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
See? It's a bit higgledy-pickledy, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I like these.
Yeah.
You could eat them. No waste. Okay, now we've cut these gorgeous stars out. We're going to stick them to the glass.
Okay.
Okay? So, do you know how to do this?
No, I have no idea.
Pick it up, and then we
put it on the
just
side and hold it there for a bit.
press it gently. It should stay.
Okay.
Can you have a go? Maybe 3 on each glass?
Alright, yeah.
Okay, let's get the smoothie in. How's that? Now, what we're going to do is pop some yogurt on top, some granola, and some blueberries. These green kiwi smoothies look delicious and make for a great afternoon snack. What do you think, James? Did they pass the kids' test?
For sure.
Well done.
For more kids recipes, head over to our kids cooking playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.